Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Ankr Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Easy profits, and you can find the link in the description box and in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with what Ankr is going to do. Eventually, we have a very possible descending triangle in an uptrend, and this consists of an uptrend right here and lower highs while we have the same lows. Okay, so it is very rare, but it indicates that maybe we have a change to the trend. What I mean by that is from the uptrend we go towards the downtrend. Anyway, let's find some of the best support levels and the next targets, but let's go to Ankr against Bitcoin chart first. In the Ankr against Bitcoin chart, we are still holding the 20-day MA. It looks like we could be going a little bit further higher right here, and the next price targets that I want to tell you is these ones off. It is very important to see the Ankr against Bitcoin chart, because if Ankr is bullish against Bitcoin, then it will probably go up no matter what Bitcoin is doing. Eventually, if though Bitcoin is going to crash, then it won't be holding in the USDT valuation. Anyway, the first very huge resistance level that I would point out right now is this one right here, the 0.50194. If we cannot close above this line, we won't be going to the next one, which is the 0.50202 and the 0.50209. These are the next targets, but eventually what we could be having right now is more of a downtrend in the daily frame. As you can see right here, we have a very huge risk coming in, and I'm not so optimistic about the price behavior of Ankr against Bitcoin chart, but I have to tell you that in the lower time frames, it doesn't look that we are so much bearish. I have to tell you that it doesn't look like we are so heavily bearish with Ankr against Bitcoin chart. That means we can approach some of the targets that we are having right now, with the most important being the first one. If we cannot close above the first one, then expect a correction coming in. Now, what happens with Ankr against USDT chart? Right here with Ankr against USDT chart, we can see that if we draw the fib from the bottom to the top right here, you can see that eventually we are holding the 0.5 in the non-logarithmic scale. In the logarithmic scale, we do not hold any huge support levels, but I always open up both. Anyway, if we take the logarithmic scale right here, and this is indeed a descending triangle, this will mean that Ankr against USDT will just go a little bit higher, and then it's going to possibly fall down into the 0.042. Around this area right here, we are going to crumble down. 42.43, around here, we are going to correct. Okay, so in the 20-day MA right here, you can see this yellow line. If I just remove all the drawings, it is right now a very huge resistance level. During a downtrend, this is a most likely a huge resistance level coming in. If we lose this support level right here, expect a correction towards the 0.4243. Okay, so if we lose this line, then it means that the 0.4243 is coming in. Now, can Ankr move a little bit further higher? Yes, it can. However, we will depend on Bitcoin as well. Ankr against Bitcoin chart is looking strong, although Ankr against USDT right now, it is having a huge resistance level coming in, and I'm not so sure what Ankr is going to do against USDT today. I think that the most likely scenario right now that we found the 200 moving average as well, it is to fall down, falling down into the next support levels. As we talked about, the fact that Ankr actually pumped so much in just 4 hours, a plus 50% uptrend, it isn't bad, because right here we get to have broken resistance levels coming in, and therefore even if we drop, we have to break down some multiple layers of so many actually support levels that it is almost impossible, I would say, to go all the way down to the 0.02494 again. But anyway, let's not say something like that, because crypto is very unpredictable, as you all know. I will draw a fib from the bottom right here before we had the impulsive wave to the top, and you can see that in the logarithmic scale we have closed below this line. In the regular scale right here, we are holding the 0.5 strongly. The 0.5 Fibonacci retracement is a very huge Fibonacci level. If we get passed down the 0.5 right here, we are going to face first the point 4243 that we talked about before, and after we are going to meet the point 041. So expect a huge correction coming in, losing this line and losing the line that we talked about before. Okay, losing this support level will get us all the way down. You can see with the regular scale that this is a hugely support level, and it looks like to me a descending triangle towards the uptrend. That means I'm expecting, unfortunately, more correction. If you're a holder from here, you have to be patient enough. If you're not a holder, then I suggest you do not get in. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.